Biological diversity, also known as biodiversity, is the variety of life on Earth and the natural pattern it forms. The biodiversity we see today is shaped by billions of years of evolution. The conservation and sustainable use of biodiversity is regarded by many experts as foundational to the United Nations 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development. Institute of Forest Biodiversity, Hyderabad, one of the 9 institutes under the Indian Council of Forestry Research and Education, under the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Government of India, is playing a crucial role in the documentation, assessment, conservation, and sustainable utilization of forest biodiversity.
Namaskar. Institute of Forest Biodiversity, Hyderabad, is an autonomous institute working under Indian Council of Forestry Research and Education. Our institute was established as a center in 1997 as Forest Research Center under Institute of Wood Science and Technology, Bangalore, and subsequently it became full-fledged institute as named as Institute of Forest Biodiversity in the year 2012 after the decision of the Government of India subsequent to Convention on Biological Diversity, which was held in Hyderabad in 2012. Our stakeholders includes state forest departments, wood-based industries, mining companies, and other industries. They are taking our consultancy services regularly, and we provide training programs in nursery techniques, plantation techniques, agroforestry models, and our scientists, they regularly, even if any farmers request, we visit their fields and we advise them suitably for plantation or for any management of pest and disease management. We provide our services.
The research activities of the institute are organized under 2 divisions, namely forest ecology and climate change, genetics and tree improvement. There are 7 well-equipped laboratories under these research divisions for the analysis of soil, non-timber forest produce, medicinal plants, insects and microbe samples. Scientists in the Forest Ecology and Climate Change Division are currently implementing research projects on documenting long-term effects of climate change on forest ecosystem, adaptation of flora and fauna to the changing climatic conditions, mitigation effects of forests on other ecosystems, integrated pest and disease management, etc. Soil scientists in this division have recently prepared the soil health cards for all forest divisions of Telangana and Odisha for better nutrient management and improving productivity under these soils. Entomologists of the division have developed integrated pest management practices for the pests of commercially important tree species like teak, gambhar, and sapindus. Trico cards have been developed for the pests of teak and being popularized among teak farmers. Resource assessment, phytochemistry, value addition of non-timber forest produces and medicinal plants are the other areas where the scientists of the division have made significant achievements. Herbal hair color formulation and sustainable bark harvesting technique have been filed for patent. Scientists in the Genetics and Tree Improvement Division are working on forest genetic resource conservation of many endangered and vulnerable species like Pterocarpus santilinus, Syzygium alternifolium, Terminalia pallida, Shorea tumbuggia, Saraka asoka, etc. The division utilizes field infrastructures like nursery, shade house, mist chamber, field gene banks, progeny and provenance trials in its main campus and Mulugu research station for ex situ conservation of the prioritized species. State-of-the-art, molecular markers are being used to estimate genetic diversity, deciphering population-level structure, and processes in important tree species like teak and red sanders.
Forest genetic resource refers to the genetic materials maintained within and among trees and other woody species which helps the plants adapting to the ever-changing climatic conditions. At Genetics and Tree Improvement Division, we are implementing a National Forest Genetic Resource Conservation Project under which 30 species have been prioritized based on their potential economic, environmental, and ecological importance. These species are being conserved either at low temperatures or in ex situ field gene banks based on their seed storage behavior. Also, we have got 5 species whose populations have been identified in natural conditions and being conserved in situ. The institute has an active tree improvement program for domestication of 6 commercially important tree species, namely Eclipse, Casuarina, Maduka, Neem, Tamarind, and Red Sanders. Phenotypically superior trees of this species have been identified and their progenies are being tested at multiple locations for developing varieties and clones for commercial deployment. Red Sanders, also known as Pterocarpus santalinus, is an endangered species and endemic to the Eastern Ghats. The scientists at the division have developed package of practices for its cultivation outside its natural range.
Mangroves are vital ecosystems not only for their protective function but also for livelihood generation point of view. The ICFRE Coastal Ecosystems Center, based at Vishakhapatnam, has developed a plantation model for regeneration of mangroves along the coasts of Andhra Pradesh. It is in the process of developing a mangrove quality index for better management of these vital ecosystems. Besides the 2 research divisions, the institute has an active extension division that has the responsibility of extending the research from lab to land. Extension specialists in this division conduct numerous trainings and awareness campaigns round the year through its Van Vigyan Kendra for stakeholders from State Forest Department, industries, tree farmers, and students from schools and colleges. Prakriti is one such outreach program where students from various schools interact with the scientific staff of the institute on various environmental and nature conservation issues. The institute conducts several awareness campaigns under Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, Mission Life, and Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam. Besides the research and extension activities, the institute has also implemented several important national and state-level consultancy projects on preparation of detailed project report for rejuvenation of Godavari River through forestry interventions, preparation of people's biodiversity registers for 49 gram panchayats of Andhra Pradesh, enumeration and geotagging of biodiversity for NTPC Ramgundam, forest resource assessment for working plan preparation of forest divisions of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, assessment of ecological damage due to illegal sand mining in Suvarnarekha River. Institute of Forest Biodiversity is at the forefront of research on conservation and sustainable use of biodiversity since 2012. As we look to the future, the research and developments at Institute of Forest Biodiversity inspire hope for a greener and sustainable world. Join us in supporting the Institute of Forest Biodiversity and its mission to conserve forest biodiversity for generations to come.